We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too. So make sure to stay tuned for this. How do you say it? In British English, it is normally pronounced as obnoxious. You do want to stress on that second knock syllable. Obnoxious. In American English, it is normally said as obnoxious. Obnoxious, a more open ah sound rather than an aw sound. Obnoxious in American English versus obnoxious in British English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.